I have this General 10-pound BC extinguisher here. You can see it's fully charged, but it's really rusty. It's a cool collection piece. Obviously, it's kind of roughed up, but overall, these older Generals are pretty nice to have, but I don't really feel comfortable having it pressurized because if you look at the bottom, there's some pretty deep pitting. I'm not really concerned that it would explode, but also at the same time, I don't know how I feel having this thing charged at 200 pounds of pressure, so I'm going to go ahead and discharge it today on a real fire. This unit here is still factory sealed. It looks like it has this wire tie, which back in the day, I guess before they used these plastic tamper seals that you're all used to seeing, they use these wire ties. They operate under the same principle though. When you pull the pin and you rip this thing out, this seal is going to break and indicate that someone's used the extinguisher. In this case though, this extinguisher doesn't have a collar, no service labels on the back. So this unit is still holding the factory charge from when this extinguisher was manufactured, which is kind of impressive because in the time between when it was made and now, so many things have happened in the fire protection industry. I mean, the company, this extinguisher, that made this extinguisher went out of business during that time. So that's kind of unique. But we're going to go ahead and test it out. And by test, I mean we're going to go ahead and set it off because it's not really a test. I know it's going to work because it's a general, but let's go ahead and use it. All right, we're going to go ahead and start the test. So I'm going to break this seal here, aim at the fire. Oh, and there goes the entire burn pan. Let it snow. As expected, it works just like new. That's the general quality right there. Look at that dense flow rate. These are good extinguishers. You can see that this is the powder. It looks really similar to the snow, but it's white as opposed to the yellow monoammonium phosphate. By the way, before anyone comments that I'm damaging the environment or just sending tons of hazardous chemicals into the air, this extinguisher is just a sodium bicarbonate extinguisher. It's not gonna have any adverse effects to the environment. Sodium bicarbonate is effectively baking soda, and just a little bit of this into the air will not harm anybody. So just wanted to throw that out there. Looks like we're getting a white Christmas this year.